if you play a game on two different Switch but want to sync your save data, there's two ways to do it. The first one, if you have the Nintendo subscription, let's say I want to download my latest save data from this one to this one. So I will go select the game here and hit the plus sign. If you go down to Save Data Cloud, here you will be able to select your account and download the save game. Once you do it, this should just sync all the time. If you don't have the Nintendo subscription, what you can do is if I want to send the game from this one to this one, I will go here on System Settings, then go down to Data Management, and go down to Transfer Your Save Data. Select this, and select Send Save Data to another console. I want to send it to the Nintendo Switch. Alright. Select the user that have the data that you want to transfer. Select the game that you want to send the save file to. So this will be this one. And hit Next. And OK. Then, on the other console, you will do the same principle. You will go down here to System Settings, and then to Data Management, and to Transfer Your Save Data. But this time, you will receive save data, and from here, you just have to wait. And there you go. You can select Next to download the save data. Sometime you will have this saying that it will overwrite the actual save data from this console. So if you want to do it, select Overwrite and Next. And confirm again. So select Overwrite to continue. Just wait a little bit. And there we go. Save data is now transferred. So I hope this was helpful.